Hi and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you our new recipes. Before we start, if you want the details how to make any recipe, check the description below. Let's start.
Recipe 1, Devil's Food Cake with Chocolate Sour Cream Frosting. Beat sour cream and a splash of coffee into melted chocolate for an outrageous frosting for rich chocolate cake. Recipe 2, Black Forest Cake. Some historians trace this famous cherry chocolate cake, called Schwarzwälder Kirschtorte in German, back to the 16th century, but it was most likely named and popularized by German baker Joseph Keller in 1915. Germans take their world-famous desserts seriously. The cake was granted protected status by the European Commission in 2013, meaning that for a dessert to be sold as a Black Forest cake, it must contain Black Forest Kirsch, a brandy made from local cherries. Recipe 3, Chocolate Pound Cake. Trish's crowd-pleasing chocolate pound cake couldn't be simpler to make. It relies on just a handful of basic ingredients, and doesn't require you to make any frosting. Recipe 4, The Best Chocolate Cake. This is not your everyday chocolate cake. It's a showstopper, very tall and much more of a bakery-style cake than a cake from a box. The frosting has both melted chocolate for smoothness and cocoa for depth of flavor. Recipe 5, Chocolate Strawberry Cake. Take chocolate-covered strawberries to a whole new level by baking the ingredients into a decadent cake. And don't stop there. Garnish your creation with more strawberries and drizzled semi-sweet and white chocolate for a true celebration of this perfect flavor pairing.